Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create folder in Gmail. So as you can see here at the left panel, you'll find the labels or a folder that is provided or default default in Gmail, such as start, snooze, important, send, draft, and etc. And if you want to add a new folder or label, you can just scroll down, click on more, and you'll find the create a new label option. You can just click on this and you can enter the name, the label or the folder name. For example, work only, and then you can also put it at the next label under. For example, you want to put it label under what is already exists in your folder, but since I haven't had a folder, I'm going to uncheck this and click on create. Okay, so as you can see, the folder or the label has been created, and that is the first option that you can use to create a new folder. You can also go to settings and click see all settings, and you'll find the labels tab at the top of the settings menu, and here you'll find the existing label or folder. Okay, and if you want to add a new folder, you can also click on create new label here, work, and you can nest it again under the existing label. For example, I want to put it in the work only that I already add before or created before. Just click on create and you'll find these two folder has been added into my Gmail. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more videos. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.